Hello, students. Today we are going to learn about changes around us. Changes in which no new substance are formed are called physical change. For example, breaking of a glass. No new material is formed. Freezing of water. These changes are called physical changes. Changes in which new substance with different properties are formed known as chemical change. We shall now classify changes on the basis of certain similarities and differences. Slow and fast change, reversible and irreversible change, physical and chemical changes, desirable and undesirable changes, natural and man made changes. So, in this class, we learn about few changes. First one, slow change. Changes which takes place over a long period of time are known as slow changes. For example, germination of seed, curd formation from milk. These changes are known as slow changes because it takes long time. Fast changes, changes which takes place within a short period of time are called fast changes. That is, the changes takes place within a second or minute. Example, bursting of firecrackers, then burning of a paper. These are the examples for fast changes. Reversible changes. Changes which can be reversed are known as reversible changes. For example, melting of ice. If you freeze the water, it will become ice. But if we unfreeze the ice means it will become water. So these changes is reversible changes. Then stretching of a rubber band. First you stretch it and you release your stretch means it regain its original position. Then next one, touching of a touch me not plant. If you play with the touch me not plant, remember that after some time, that is a while, first you touch the plant, the shrink its leaves. After that, after a few minutes, it again comes to its original leaf position. So these changes are known as reversible changes. Then next one is irreversible changes. Changes which cannot be get back to the original state are known as irreversible changes. Example, making idli from batter. We can't convert idli into batter. Then piercing of a balloon with a pin. If we pierce the balloon means again we can't get the full good balloon. You know that. So these are some example of reversible changes. Think in your life some irreversible changes. For physical change, just you take a process. We will take a process in which solid water, ice, melts into liquid water. Here, physical appearance of a substance change, but no chemical change. That is, and in ice also, the molecular formula of water is H2O. In water is also molecular formula of water is H2O. So both the two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom form one molecule of water molecule. So here no change in chemical, that is physical appearance only change. That is one. First one is solid water, next one is liquid form. That's all. Change of state only takes place. While changing state, that is if we heating the water means the energy supplied to the water, it gain that energy and turn into another state, that is vapor state. If we cool the water means the energy released from the water, then the water molecules come closer and form a solid ice. So here you know some new words. Melting, solid form to liquid form is known as melting. Vaporization, water into steam on heating is known as vaporization. Condensation, steam of water into, that is steam converted into water gaseous form is converted into liquid form is known as condensation. Freezing, that is water, liquid form of water converted into ice, that is freezing. Another new word, sublimation. That is, if we burn the camphor, the solid state directly converted into vapor state without the formation of liquid state. That is known as sublimation. The change of state from solid to gas directly. For example is camphor. Okay, students, in this class we learn some changes. In the next class, we will know some new changes. Thank you, students.